At Netstar, we understand the importance of reducing running costs for your business. With our advanced telematics technology, we can assist you in lowering fuel and maintenance costs through improving driver behaviour. By tracking and analysing driver behaviour, our software can identify optimal routes and inefficient driving habits to improve fuel efficiency. In addition, we can help you optimise asset utilisation by monitoring idle times and identifying underutilised assets within your fleet. By doing so, you can expect to see significant savings and greater efficiency across your fleet. Our software solutions also provide you with the tools to monitor your fleet in real time, giving you access to live trip replay and trip history report, which shows the start and end of the trip, distance driven, and the time on site. We also provide a driver behaviour report, which shows a total number of driver behaviour events, such as harsh cornering and excess braking. By working with Netstar, you can be confident that you have a comprehensive solution provider to assist you in reducing your running costs and improving your overall efficiency of your fleet. To learn more about our solutions and how we can assist your business, visit our website at netstaraustralia.com.au.